As night settles in, the vast landscape of scientific inquiry reveals mysteries that remain just out of reach. From the depths of the cosmos to the intricacies of the human mind, countless phenomena continue to puzzle researchers and inspire wonder. These enduring questions remind us of the limits of our knowledge and the beauty of the unknown. Let your thoughts wander through these unsolved puzzles, allowing curiosity to gently lull you into a state of relaxation. In the quiet of the evening, the mysteries of science invite us to dream and explore, even as we drift toward sleep. Dark matter and dark energy are among the most profound mysteries in modern science. Although they make up nearly 95% of the universe's mass and energy, their presence is known only through subtle effects on visible matter and the expansion of space itself. Dark matter does not emit or absorb light, making it impossible to detect directly with current instruments, while dark energy is believed to drive the universe's accelerating growth. Despite decades of research and new experimental results, their true nature remains elusive, inviting scientists to keep searching for answers in the quiet depths of the cosmos. As we drift into sleep, the vast unknown gently reminds us how much there is yet to discover. The origin of life on Earth remains one of science's most profound mysteries. Imagine a time when our planet was filled only with simple, non-living molecules, drifting through ancient oceans and atmospheres. Somehow, through a sequence of events still not fully understood, these molecules organize themselves into the first living cells. Scientists call this remarkable process abiogenesis, and while experiments have recreated some of its steps, the complete journey from chemistry to biology is still shrouded in uncertainty. As you relax, let your mind wander through this gentle enigma, where the boundary between the inanimate and the living quietly blurs in the depths of time. Consciousness remains one of the most profound mysteries in science. Despite remarkable advances in neuroscience, researchers still cannot fully explain how the intricate activity of neurons produces awareness, emotions, and the vivid tapestry of subjective experience. The brain's electrical signals and chemical exchanges are well documented, yet the emergence of personal thoughts and feelings continues to elude understanding. This puzzle invites us to contemplate the delicate boundary between the physical and the intangible, gently reminding us of the complexity hidden within our own minds. The placebo effect is a fascinating phenomenon where simply believing in the effectiveness of a treatment can result in genuine improvements in health. Even when the treatment itself contains no active ingredients, the mind's expectation can trigger real, measurable changes in the body. Scientists continue to explore how this mysterious connection between belief and biology operates, as its mechanisms remain elusive. The placebo effect reminds us of the profound influence our thoughts and perceptions can have on our well-being, gently blurring the boundaries between mind and body. In 1977, astronomers captured a powerful and unexpected radio burst from the depths of space, known as the WOW signal. This fleeting transmission, originating from the constellation Sagittarius, stood out for its intensity and clarity, sparking curiosity and speculation about its source. Despite decades of searching, scientists have never detected a similar signal again, leaving its origins shrouded in mystery. The WOW signal remains one of the most intriguing puzzles in the quest to understand whether we are alone in the universe. Its singular occurrence continues to inspire wonder and contemplation about the vast unknowns beyond our planet. In the quiet town of Taos, New Mexico, a mysterious low-frequency hum has puzzled residents and scientists alike since the early 1990s. This persistent sound, often described as a distant engine or a gentle vibration, is heard by only a portion of the population, while others remain completely unaware of its presence. Despite numerous investigations and theories ranging from environmental factors to psychological phenomena, the true origin of the Taos hum remains elusive. The gentle, enigmatic resonance continues to weave itself into the fabric of local life, inviting curiosity and contemplation as night falls over the desert landscape. Ball lightning is a captivating and elusive phenomenon, often described as glowing spheres of light appearing during thunderstorms. Despite centuries of eyewitness accounts, its unpredictable nature has made scientific study challenging. Theories range from plasma formations to chemical reactions, yet no explanation fully accounts for all observed behaviors. Ball lightning can last for several seconds, sometimes moving through walls or windows, adding to its mystique. Its rarity and fleeting presence continue to intrigue researchers and inspire wonder in those who witness it. The mystery of sleep continues to intrigue scientists, as its full purpose and underlying mechanisms remain only partially understood. While it is clear that sleep is essential for physical health, memory consolidation, and emotional balance, the reasons why our bodies and minds require this nightly retreat are still being explored. Researchers have uncovered links between sleep and cellular repair, as well as the removal of toxins from the brain, yet many questions persist. The intricate cycles of sleep, from light to deep stages, suggest a complex interplay of biological processes that we are only beginning to comprehend. As you drift into rest, remember that sleep itself is one of nature's most profound and enduring enigmas. Dreams remain one of the most enigmatic aspects of human experience. While scientists have uncovered some details about how and when dreams occur, the true purpose behind dreaming continues to puzzle researchers. Some theories suggest dreams help process emotions, consolidate memories, or even solve problems. Yet no single explanation fully captures their complexity. The meanings woven into our dreams often reflect both conscious and subconscious thoughts, blurring the line between reality and imagination. As we drift into sleep, the mind enters a world where logic fades and possibilities expand, inviting us to wonder about the deeper significance of our nightly journeys. Déjà vu is a curious phenomenon, where we experience the uncanny feeling that a present moment has already occurred. This sensation often arrives suddenly, leaving us with a lingering sense of familiarity that is difficult to explain. Scientists have proposed various theories, ranging from subtle memory glitches to the brain processing information in parallel, yet none fully unravel its mystery. Despite advances in neuroscience, the precise mechanisms behind déjà vu remain elusive, inviting us to wonder about the intricate workings of our minds. As we drift into sleep, the enigma of déjà vu reminds us that some mysteries are woven into the fabric of our everyday experiences. Yawning is a universal behavior, yet its contagious nature remains one of science's subtle mysteries. When one person yawns, those nearby often feel an irresistible urge to do the same, even across species like dogs and chimpanzees. Researchers have suggested that contagious yawning may be linked to empathy or social bonding, but no definitive explanation has emerged. The precise mechanisms in the brain that trigger this response are still unknown, leaving us to wonder why such a simple act can ripple so easily through groups. As we drift into relaxation, the gentle mystery of contagious yawning reminds us how interconnected we are, even in the smallest moments. Gravity is the force that binds galaxies, shapes planets, and governs the motion of stars. Despite its fundamental role in the universe, scientists have yet to fully reconcile gravity with the principles of quantum mechanics. While Einstein's theory of general relativity describes gravity on a cosmic scale, it remains incompatible with the quantum laws that rule the microscopic world. This enduring mystery continues to inspire physicists as they search for a unified theory that can elegantly explain both the vastness of space and the smallest particles. In the quiet of night, pondering the enigma of gravity reminds us how much remains to be discovered about the fabric of reality. The Pioneer anomaly refers to the subtle, unexplained deviations observed in the trajectories of the Pioneer 10 and Pioneer 11 spacecraft as they journeyed through the outer reaches of our solar system. Scientists noticed that these spacecraft were slowing down slightly more than predicted, a puzzle that challenged established theories of gravity and motion. Despite extensive analysis, the precise cause of this anomaly remains uncertain, with hypotheses ranging from thermal effects to new physics. The mystery of the Pioneer anomaly continues to intrigue researchers, reminding us that even in the vast quiet of space, unexpected phenomena can emerge. As we drift into sleep, we can imagine distant spacecraft gliding silently, carrying with them unanswered questions about the universe. The question of why the universe exists at all is one of the most profound mysteries in science and philosophy. It invites us to contemplate the origins of everything, from the smallest particles to the vast cosmic structures. Despite centuries of inquiry, no definitive answer has emerged, leaving us to wonder whether existence is the result of chance, necessity, or something beyond our current understanding. This enigma encourages a sense of awe and curiosity, gently reminding us of the limits of human knowledge as we drift into restful contemplation. The Fermi paradox invites us to ponder a profound question. Why, in a universe so immense and filled with countless stars and planets, have we not yet discovered signs of extraterrestrial life? Scientists estimate billions of potentially habitable worlds exist, yet our telescopes and listening devices remain silent. This silence raises possibilities ranging from the rarity of life itself to civilizations choosing not to communicate, or perhaps technological barriers we cannot yet overcome. As we drift into sleep, the mystery lingers, reminding us of the vast unknown that stretches beyond our world and the quiet wonder of searching for answers among the stars. Fast radio bursts are among the most enigmatic phenomena observed in the cosmos. These intense flashes of radio waves originate from distant galaxies, appearing without warning and disappearing in mere milliseconds. Despite their fleeting nature, they release as much energy in a moment as the sun does in days, leaving scientists puzzled about their origins. Various theories suggest they may be caused by neutron stars, black holes, or even unknown cosmic events. But no definitive explanation has been found. The mystery of fast radio bursts continues to intrigue researchers, inviting us to wonder about the secrets hidden in the vastness of space. Homing pigeons possess a remarkable ability to find their way home across hundreds of miles, a skill that has fascinated scientists for generations. Despite extensive research, the precise mechanisms behind their navigation remain mysterious. Some theories suggest they use Earth's magnetic field, while others point to visual landmarks, olfactory cues, or even the position of the sun. Yet no single explanation fully accounts for their uncanny accuracy. This enduring puzzle highlights the complexity of animal cognition and the subtle interplay of environmental cues guiding these birds on their journeys. The Bermuda Triangle is a stretch of ocean between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, often shrouded in mystery. Over the years, countless stories have emerged about ships and planes disappearing without a trace in this region. Despite extensive investigations, no single explanation has been proven, leaving room for theories ranging from unusual weather patterns to magnetic anomalies. The allure of the Bermuda Triangle continues to captivate imaginations, inviting both scientific inquiry and speculation. As night falls, the mysteries of this enigmatic area linger, gently reminding us of the vast unknowns that still exist in our world. The placebo effect is not limited to humans. Intriguingly, it has been observed in animals as well. Pets and laboratory animals sometimes show signs of improvement after receiving treatments that contain no active ingredients. This phenomenon raises questions about the mechanisms at play, since animals are unlikely to understand the intent behind a treatment. Researchers speculate that changes in caregiver behavior or environmental cues might influence an animal's response, yet the full explanation remains elusive. The mystery of the placebo effect in animals continues to puzzle scientists, offering a gentle reminder of how much we have yet to learn about healing and the mind. The gentle purring of a cat is a familiar sound, yet its true purpose remains a mystery. Scientists have proposed several theories, suggesting that cats may purr to communicate contentment, signal their presence, or even promote healing within their bodies. Some studies indicate that the vibrations produced during purring could help with bone regeneration and reduce pain. Despite these intriguing possibilities, no single explanation has been universally accepted. The enigmatic nature of a cat's purr continues to fascinate researchers and pet owners alike, inviting us to wonder about the secrets hidden in this soothing sound. The Mpemba effect is a curious phenomenon where, under specific circumstances, hot water freezes more quickly than cold water. Despite numerous experiments and theories, scientists have yet to pinpoint a definitive explanation for this counterintuitive behavior. Factors such as evaporation, convection, and the properties of water molecules may play a role, but the effect remains unpredictable and elusive. As researchers continue to investigate, the Mpemba effect stands as a gentle reminder of nature's capacity to surprise us, inviting quiet wonder and contemplation. Throughout history, tales of mysterious creatures like the Loch Ness Monster have captivated the imagination. These cryptids are often described in local folklore and eyewitness accounts, Yet scientific evidence remains elusive. Despite numerous expeditions and technological advances, no definitive proof has been found to confirm their existence. The enduring fascination with these legends reflects humanity's curiosity about the unknown and the possibility that nature still holds secrets waiting to be discovered. As night falls, pondering these mysteries can be a gentle invitation to wonder, allowing the mind to drift peacefully into sleep. The persistence of left-handedness in humans remains a fascinating puzzle. Although only about 10% of people are left-handed, this trait continues to appear across generations. Scientists speculate that a combination of genetics, environmental influences, and even evolutionary advantages may play a role. Some theories suggest left-handed individuals might have benefited from unique skills or perspectives in social or competitive situations. Yet the precise reasons why left-handedness endures, despite its rarity, are still shrouded in mystery, inviting further exploration and gentle curiosity. The origin of water on Earth remains one of science's most captivating mysteries. Researchers have long pondered how our planet became so abundant in this vital resource, which is essential for life as we know it. Some theories suggest that water arrived via icy comets and asteroids during the early days of Earth's formation, while others propose that chemical reactions within the planet's mantle produced water from hydrogen and oxygen. Despite advances in geology and astronomy, the precise journey of water to our world is still shrouded in uncertainty, inviting us to imagine the ancient processes that shaped our blue planet. Migratory birds embark on extraordinary journeys, traveling thousands of miles across continents with remarkable precision. Scientists believe these birds rely on a combination of environmental cues, such as the position of the sun, stars, and even the Earth's magnetic field, to navigate. Yet, the exact mechanisms behind their innate sense of direction remain shrouded in mystery. Despite advances in research, the invisible signals guiding their flight paths are not fully understood, leaving us in awe of nature's intricate design. As night falls, imagining these silent travelers soaring under the stars can be a soothing reminder of the wonders that quietly unfold above us. The placebo effect in surgery presents a fascinating puzzle for scientists and doctors alike. In some cases, patients who undergo sham operations, procedures that mimic real surgery but do not actually treat the underlying condition, report genuine improvements in their symptoms. This phenomenon suggests that the mind's expectations and beliefs can influence physical healing, even when no medical intervention has occurred. Researchers continue to explore how psychological and neurological factors contribute to these surprising outcomes, hoping to unlock new ways to harness the power of the placebo effect for better health. The mystery remains, inviting us to reflect on the profound connection between mind and body. The process of aging, known as senescence, remains one of biology's most intriguing mysteries. Scientists understand that cells accumulate damage over time, and mechanisms such as telomere shortening and oxidative stress play a role. Yet the full picture is far from complete. Why our bodies gradually lose their ability to repair and regenerate is a question that continues to puzzle researchers. Some theories suggest aging is an evolutionary trade-off, while others point to complex genetic and environmental factors. As we drift into sleep, these unanswered questions remind us of the delicate balance between life's beginnings and its inevitable passage. The Antikythera mechanism, discovered off the coast of Greece in a shipwreck, continues to captivate scientists and historians alike. This intricate device, dating back over 2,000 years, is believed to have been used for astronomical calculations, yet its full purpose and the methods behind its construction remain shrouded in mystery. Crafted with a complexity far ahead of its time, the mechanism features a series of gears and dials that suggest a deep understanding of celestial movements. Despite modern imaging techniques and careful reconstruction, many questions persist about how ancient engineers achieved such precision. As we drift into sleep, the enigma of the Antikythera mechanism reminds us of the enduring wonders hidden within the past. The striking black and white stripes of zebras have long fascinated scientists and observers alike. Despite decades of research, the true purpose of these stripes remains unresolved, with several competing theories offering partial explanations. Some suggest the stripes help camouflage zebras from predators, while others propose they deter biting insects or aid in social recognition among the herd. Still, no single theory has gained universal acceptance, and the mystery endures. As we drift into sleep, the enigma of zebra stripes reminds us of nature's quiet complexity and the beauty of unanswered questions. The Voynich manuscript remains one of history's most captivating puzzles. This mysterious book, written in an unknown script and adorned with peculiar illustrations of plants, astronomical diagrams, and human figures, has defied all attempts at translation. Despite decades of scholarly effort and modern cryptographic analysis, its language and purpose are still shrouded in secrecy. Some believe it holds ancient knowledge, while others suspect it may be an elaborate hoax. The manuscript's pages invite quiet wonder, encouraging us to drift into the soothing mystery of the unknown. Bees possess a remarkable ability to share intricate information with one another using a series of movements known as the waggle dance. Through these rhythmic patterns, a bee can convey the location of food sources, including direction and distance, to its hive mates. Scientists have studied the dance for decades, yet the precise mechanisms by which bees interpret and respond to these signals remain mysterious. The hive hums with activity as these silent exchanges guide foragers across vast landscapes. This enduring puzzle continues to fascinate researchers, inviting us to wonder at the hidden language of the bees. The placebo effect remains one of the most intriguing puzzles in medicine. In some clinical trials, patients receiving a placebo, an inactive substance, experience improvements that surpass those seen with actual treatments. Scientists believe this phenomenon is linked to the mind's powerful influence over the body, yet its precise mechanisms are still unclear. Research continues to explore how expectations, belief, and the brain's chemistry interact to produce these surprising results. The enduring mystery of the placebo effect reminds us of the complex interplay between perception and healing. Spontaneous human combustion remains one of the most puzzling phenomena in science. In rare instances, individuals have been found burned, often with little damage to their surroundings and no obvious source of ignition. Despite decades of investigation, researchers have yet to uncover a definitive explanation for these mysterious events. Some theories suggest unusual chemical reactions within the body, while others point to external factors that may go unnoticed. The enigma persists, inviting curiosity and caution as science continues to search for answers. In the quiet expanse of Siberia, the Tunguska event remains one of the most mysterious explosions in modern history. On a summer morning in 1908, a powerful blast flattened over 2,000 square kilometers of forest, yet no crater or clear evidence of impact was found. Scientists have proposed theories ranging from a meteor airburst to the possibility of a comet fragment, but none fully explain the absence of debris or the unique patterns of destruction. The silence of the taiga and the lingering questions invite us to imagine the unknown, gently reminding us that nature still holds secrets beyond our understanding. Humans are the only species known to shed emotional tears, a phenomenon that continues to puzzle scientists and psychologists alike. While tears can serve practical purposes such as lubricating the eyes and removing irritants, emotional crying appears to go beyond these basic functions. Some theories suggest that emotional tears may help communicate feelings or foster social bonds, yet no definitive explanation exists. The exact biological and evolutionary reasons for this uniquely human behavior remain elusive, inviting further exploration into the mysteries of our emotional lives. The placebo effect remains one of the most intriguing puzzles in medicine. When individuals receive a treatment with no active ingredients, their belief in its efficacy can lead to real relief from pain. This phenomenon suggests that the mind holds remarkable power over the body, yet the precise mechanisms behind it are still unknown. Researchers continue to explore how expectation and perception can transform physical sensations, offering hope for new ways to manage pain. The mystery of the placebo effect gently reminds us of the subtle connections between thought and healing. Despite decades of research and medical advances, certain diseases, such as the common cold, continue to elude a definitive cure. The common cold is caused by a multitude of viruses, each with subtle differences, making it difficult for scientists to develop a universal treatment. These viruses also mutate rapidly, further complicating efforts to target them effectively. While remedies can ease symptoms, The underlying cause remains out of reach, reminding us of the intricate challenges within human health. This enduring mystery highlights the limits of current scientific understanding and invites ongoing curiosity and exploration. Dark oxygen, a recent and puzzling discovery on the ocean floor, has captivated scientists by defying established rules of chemistry. Unlike ordinary oxygen, this form appears in environments where it should not exist, raising questions about its origin and behavior. Experts argue that the presence of dark oxygen is fundamentally at odds with thermodynamic principles, prompting calls for further investigation and even retraction of some findings. The mystery remains unresolved, highlighting how nature can surprise us with phenomena that challenge our most basic scientific assumptions. As researchers delve deeper, the enigma of dark oxygen continues to inspire curiosity and wonder. The intricate process of how memories are stored and retrieved in the brain remains one of neuroscience's most captivating mysteries. While scientists know that certain regions, like the hippocampus, play a crucial role, the exact mechanisms behind encoding, preserving, and recalling experiences are still elusive. Electrical signals and chemical changes weave a complex tapestry, yet the full picture of how these patterns translate into vivid recollections is not yet clear. As research advances, each discovery brings us closer to understanding how our minds archive the moments that shape our lives, offering a gentle reminder of the brain's remarkable complexity. Laughter is a remarkable phenomenon, often rippling through groups and creating a sense of shared joy and connection. Scientists have observed that hearing others laugh can trigger our own laughter, even when we don't fully understand the joke. This contagious effect is believed to strengthen social bonds, fostering trust and empathy within communities. Yet the precise mechanisms behind why laughter spreads so easily remain elusive, inviting curiosity and wonder. As we drift into relaxation, the gentle echoes of laughter remind us of the mysterious ways human emotions intertwine. The evolution of language in humans remains one of science's most captivating mysteries. Unlike any other species, humans possess the ability to communicate complex ideas, emotions, and stories through spoken and written words. Researchers continue to debate how this remarkable trait emerged, whether through gradual adaptations or sudden leaps in cognitive development. The precise reasons why language became so central to human life, enabling cooperation and culture, are still unclear. As we drift into contemplation, the origins of language remind us of the unique ways our minds shape the world around us. Sterile neutrinos represent one of the most intriguing mysteries in modern physics. Unlike regular neutrinos, these hypothetical particles do not interact with matter through the usual forces, making them incredibly difficult to detect. Despite numerous experiments and advanced technology, scientists have yet to find any definitive evidence of their existence. Recent results from physics experiments, such as those at Oak Ridge National Laboratory, have shown no sign of sterile neutrinos, deepening the puzzle. Their elusive nature continues to challenge our understanding of the universe and inspires ongoing research in the quest to uncover what lies beyond the known particles. Beyond the observable universe stretches a realm that remains forever hidden from our gaze. The limits of what we can see are defined by the speed of light and the age of the cosmos, creating a boundary that no telescope or instrument can penetrate. Scientists wonder what mysteries might exist in these unreachable expanses. Perhaps other galaxies, unknown forms of matter, or even entirely different laws of physics. This frontier, shrouded in darkness and uncertainty, invites us to imagine possibilities that stretch far beyond our current understanding. As we drift into sleep, the thought of these infinite unknowns reminds us of the vastness and wonder of the universe. Sleep is a universal behavior observed in both humans and animals, yet its fundamental purpose remains shrouded in mystery. Scientists have uncovered many aspects of sleep, such as its role in memory consolidation and physical restoration, but the question of why sleep is truly necessary persists. Despite decades of research, no single theory fully explains why all living creatures must surrender to sleep, often at the expense of safety and productivity. This enduring enigma invites us to wonder about the deeper biological and evolutionary reasons behind our nightly rituals, gently reminding us of the limits of our understanding. As we drift into sleep, we participate in a phenomenon that connects us to the natural world. still waiting for its secrets to be revealed. Music has a unique power to stir emotions, transcending language and cultural boundaries. Its melodies and rhythms can evoke feelings of joy, nostalgia, or even sorrow, often reaching parts of us that words cannot. Scientists continue to explore why music resonates so profoundly, suggesting that it may connect to ancient neural pathways linked to memory and emotion. Despite advances in neuroscience, the precise mechanisms behind music's emotional impact remain elusive, adding to its timeless mystery. As we listen, we are reminded of the universal nature of music, weaving together human experience across generations. As night falls and the world quiets, it's comforting to remember that the universe is filled with mysteries waiting to be explored. The unknown, far from being frightening, holds a special beauty, inviting curiosity and wonder. Embracing these unanswered questions allows us to relax, knowing that discovery is a journey, not a destination. As you drift into sleep, let the vastness of scientific mysteries soothe your mind, reminding you that even in uncertainty, there is peace and possibility.